Ta-da! So here is the drawing tablet. Let's open it up. I ordered a stand, but we're going to look at that later on. So let's just go ahead and tear up this pack to see what we have inside. Yeah, so the packaging is very sleek. I love it. I still use this to put in my tablet when I'm not using it. So let's open this up. We have a drawing glove here, hand glove, to reduce friction between your hand and the screen. Then this cloth is for cleaning the surface of your tablet from dust. This is the tablet, but let's keep that aside and check out other things. So yeah, right inside here we have more like a guide, manual guide or something like that. Then this card just says dear customer, dear Veikk greeting card. Behind it are steps on how you could download the driver of the tablet, for proper syncing. Yeah, these are cables. This cable is a Type-C cord. It helps to supply power from your computer to the tablet. It can't work on its own without connecting it to a system, so you need this for power supply. Then this is an HDMI cable to transfer the display on the system down to the tablet. Yeah, and you have two pens here with so many replacement nibs. So if the one on the pen maybe goes bad, you can replace it with the other one. Yes, and this is just like a pen holder, to keep the pen in an upright position while you're working, something like that. These are the other replacement nibs. You just fix them inside here, and it helps you to properly replace them when you want to. I think that metal right there is for easy removal of the nibs. I don't know. That's all what we have inside the box. Let's go ahead and see what the tablet is about. So yeah, this is it. So beautiful, very, very sleek and nice. Let me use this cloth and clean enough. The back just looks like a little bluish gray. Yes, here is where you connect the Type-C, the power cable and the HDMI cable. This other button is for increasing or reducing the brightness, and down there is the power button. Yes, once you've installed the driver, you could set these places as the shortcut keys, whether you want it to use as zoom or any shortcut key you want. So this is the stand I got to help me keep the tablet in an upright position. Yes, so just added this to my order as well. Then you just push this in and push the other part in. So the lower you go, the lower the tablet stand would go. Let me just put my tablet on top and connect the cables in the right place. It's not difficult to connect. Once you connect it properly, you see a blue light on the cable on the tablet, but if it's not properly connected, you see a red light, meaning you should just maybe adjust or shift the wires a bit, and that is good to go. You could press the power button most times, but most times you don't need to press the power button. It will just come up if it's properly connected. You can see that everything that's on my system is displaying on the tablet. Even before I installed the driver, I could use the pen for anything I want. I'm moving things around and it's responding. You install the driver basically because you want to set those shortcut keys on the tablet and shortcuts on the on the pen as well. So let's go ahead and install the driver. But before then, let's open up this drawing software called Creator, just to show you that even before I install the driver, I could still use the pen to do anything I want. Yeah, so let me go right to my browser and type Veikk website. I'll go to the Veikk website and I'll choose if my tablet is a pen display or a whatever. Select what system I'm using, whether it's Windows or Mac, and I go ahead to download it. Once it's downloaded, I open it up and You could see from here you can easily set the functions you want on the pen and also those shortcut keys you want on the left side of your tablet. Please go ahead and subscribe. Leave a comment what you think about this tablet. Have you used it before? Would you be getting it? Let me know in the comment section. Bye.